right, this is our peel and stick 16-foot tape measures. So they're called PS and PMS Stick 16s. Basically, we have a PMS, which is Pro Metric Standard. So this one has regular measurements on the top, metric measurements on the bottom. It's the same as our PMS tape measure. And then the PS is Pro Carpenter Standard that has just standard measurements. This is the same as what we call our old standby tape measure. So these both come with a 16-foot tape measure, and they're printed opposite directions on either side. So basically, if I have this side up, it's going to go from 0 upwards as you go to the right. And then if you flip it over, the 0 will be over on the far other end, and the numbers go up as you're going this way. And that's the same with both of them. And the tape measure is 15/16 inch wide. It's going to come with a 16-foot roll of 3/4 inch speed tape. So the speed tape is slightly narrower than the tape. Basically what this allows you to do is cut a section of any length that you want and create a built-in tape measure anywhere that you want. You can dado it in if you want to make sure that nothing runs over it and catches it over time, or you can literally just peel the tape, stick it down, and stick your tape measure right to it, and you can have a built-in tape measure right on your bench. These are the same tapes that we use for our best fence system. It's also great, we have them on our strapping machines. Anywhere where you might need a quick, fast measurement repeatedly and not want to waste the time, go grab out a tape measure, extend it to get the measurement, put it away, built-in tape measure. Get yours today, you're gonna love this product.